Hello friends, today I'll show you the delete pipeline that I created to tear down my environment from AWS for this application 5 words daily. So let's start. Uh, Here is my delete environment pipeline, and we'll go to configure, and you see I trigger it every day evening at 8 o'clock. So I don't overuse the resources which I don't need during night, and it starts with the timestamps. So I see all the timestamp when this pipeline job executes, and then some configurations which are more or less same as the ones used in setup pipeline in my previous video. Now if you see, this DB instance properties is already available, and it comes because I saved it when the setup job was executed or setup pipeline was executed. So I could have saved it in the file system and retrieved it from here, but since I'm not stopping and starting my Jenkins, this property is available at runtime. And next I run the same job that I ran from setup environment pipeline to get the Jenkins, the database parameters, for example host and port. So this will allow me to take a backup, and now I run a job called backup db job and pass the required parameters. So I show you the backup database job. It takes multiple parameters, and then if you see here, it goes to the Jenkins folder where I have all my backups, and it renames the current database file to a new file which has a timestamp in it, and it looks like this. So all my old backups are renamed, and the latest backup is this one, and this will be renamed when the job runs. And then it runs a pg dump command which takes a dump of the database with the parameters and put it into a file, and these parameters are mostly to log and to get the database dump as a SQL file. So if I open this dump, you see it's all SQL, so we can actually check ourselves. And once this job is finished, now we can start to remove the environment and application. So if we go down into the pipeline script, you see there is a delete AWS environment job. Now we go to the job, we pass the environment name, and you see there is a eb cli terminate command to force the environment. If we don't put this force, then it will ask at the console, so we don't want it, so we give a force. And then once the environment is deleted, we also want the application to be deleted. And so if you see here, this is the application, and it can have multiple environments. So first this environment would be deleted, and then the application, delete application. So let us delete the environment now. And just for we refer that this file is created on 24th September, so we should have a new file created once this pipeline is executed, and it takes around 10 minutes. So I would take a jump in the demo video. It's now almost 6 minutes, and we can check the status of our environment. If we go back, if we refresh, because this is the environment that will be deleted. can see the last update. There's no data about this environment. So if we go to the environment or the application, so if we click here, we can see it is terminating. If we check the database status on the RDS service, we can see that it is also being deleted. So let's go back to a job and wait for a few seconds. So it's almost 10 minutes and the database is deleted. If we go to the Elastic Beanstalk and do a refresh, we can see that our application is also gone now. And if we go to the 5words daily.live, we refresh, service is unavailable, and delete job was successful. So let's see the console. Database instance, it found and it deleted it, and there was a backup job executing, and then delete job and delete application, and that's it. So most of the time went in deleting the environment where it tear downs the servers and database, so it took around 11 minutes. And the other two jobs, the backup job and deleting the application, took very less time. So that's it for this video. Thank you.